Hey, welcome to day one of the 2024 Wine Advent Calendar from Drinking It In. I, I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and we are starting off with an Italian red grape called Corvina. Now, Corvina is it's very rare that you would see a wine that was just labeled Corvina. It's usually the dominant grape in the Valpolicella wines, and those wines are some of my absolute favorite in the world, and they tend to be really friendly. So let's dive in here. I think Corvina, what you get is medium-bodied wine, low in tannins, very friendly, with some medium to high acid. So not overly acidic, but usually enough acid that you feel it. The flavor profile, cherries, plums, chocolate, cinnamon if you're lucky. And like I said before, it's mainly grown in northern Italy in the Valpolicella region. And you'll see different wine labels, whether it's Valpolicella Superiore. It's also a component of, it also, when you see Ripasso and when you see Amarone, they're all Corvina based wines. So lots of, quite a big spectrum as far as what you can get. I think a really good um, Valpolicella wine, or not, sorry, Corvina wine, because this one is not Valpolicella, is from the same region, but the Allegrini Palazzo della Torre. It is a Corvina, Corvignone, Rondinella, and Sangiovese blend. A little different than what they allow in like the DOC and the DOCGs, but really, really nice, under $15, well distributed, and a perfect wine for everyday drinking, perfect wine for somewhat refined Italian food, and a perfect wine for people who are beginners to wine. So go get one of those. If you're interested in learning a little bit more, there's a link right here to the Valpolicella video that I just did recently, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for joining.